Hi viewers, good day to you all. Welcome to today's show. We are going to be looking at the topic exponential indices. In exponential indices, it involves you solving problems where you are going to express it in power. Perhaps you'll be looking for x or y, meaning that you'll be looking for unknown, which at the end of the day you arrive at your answer. If you look at this problem, you see that we have piles of 2. So the first thing you are going to check in any given problems of exponential indices is that you look at the numbers of times you have the common numbers, like the 2. You see we have 2 here now. There is 2 here, there is 2 here, there is 2 here. You see here we have 8, here we have 4. So you make sure that you make everything to be 2. And how do you do that? Now here we are going to have 2 x raised to the power of minus 2 minus, this will give us 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 all over 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equals to, then 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 2 raised to the power of x minus 2. So now what I would advise you to do in problem like this is you are going to move this to the other side. Since they have something in common, you have fraction, they are in form of fractions, so you move this to the other side. That's, you collect the like times. So we have 2x raised to the power of minus 2 is equals to, if you move this to the other side, to become plus. So meanwhile, before then, you can change this to the simpler form. You can change it to the simplest form. You understand? How do you do that? Don't forget that according to the law of indices, when you are dividing, you subtract the powers. And this will give us 2 raised to the power of 2 minus, because this one is coming as division, x minus 2. Then this, when you take it to the other side, it becomes plus. So, and we have 2 raised to the power of 3 minus, because this one is coming from the as division. So you have x minus 1. So when you put all this together, you are going to have 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of, now you open the bracket here. If you open the bracket, this will be minus times s will give you minus s. Then minus times minus 2 will give us plus 2. So now this will give us 2 minus x, because minus times s will give us minus x. Then minus times minus 2 will give us plus 2. So then the last one is, then also open the bracket, minus times x will give us 3 minus x. Then minus times minus 1 will give us plus 1. Then put your brackets. Now this will give us 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 will give us 4 minus x, plus, then this will also give us 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 will give us 4 minus x. You see they are the same. They are the same. So you can factorize to have something like this, 1 plus 1. So this will give us 2x raised to the power minus 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 4x, 2 raised to the power 1 is the same thing as 2. So that's why I'm putting raised to the power of 1. So now you can join these together so that you have 2 raised to the power x minus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 4x plus 1, because they are the same. So when you are multiplying, you add the power together. So that's why we have 4 plus 1. Now equate the power. If you equate the power, you have something like this. So collect the like times. Collect the like times. If you collect the like times, you are going to have, if you send this to the other side, you bring this in. What do we have here? Do we have 4 plus x? Okay, there's a mistake here. This is 4 minus x. Don't forget. This is 4 minus x. 4 minus x plus 1. So this is 4x minus 1. 4 minus x plus 1. So now, we collect the lighter and bring this s here to become s plus x. Then send this out to become 4 plus 1 plus 2. And this will give us 2x is equals to 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So x will be equals to 7 over 2. That is 3 whole number 1 over 2. And that is our answer. Thanks for watching.